What's going on, everybody? It's Lewis from Squeaky Clean, commercial cleaning company. I wanted to drop a video to kind of explain a situation that happened to me, and hopefully it can help you in leveling up and growing your business and making sure that your systems are in order and that your business can go a little bit smoother. So the scenario is I have this account that we get paid monthly, and it's a pretty big account. As a matter of fact, it's my biggest account. I've had them for 3 years now, and I initially send the invoice out probably about a week or two, and I usually send the invoice out probably a week prior because they pay at the beginning of the month. So normally by the time payment is received, it's probably around the 5th or 6th, or sometimes as late as the 10th, which is not really a big deal because it's such a large amount. I understand accounting and all that stuff. So what happened this time is that come the 15th, I hadn't received anything from them. And this has happened before, and I'll go back to what happened in the beginning after I get done. So I contact the person in charge and let them know, hey, we hadn't received payment. And then I receive a message from them saying, well, they hadn't received their updated or our updated insurance until, well, yesterday, which is when I sent it. And me sending it yesterday was just kind of a gut feeling because this situation had happened before where they hadn't paid me and no one said anything. And then when I asked them where's payment, they said I needed to update my insurance. So what I had to do was contact my insurance company and forward a copy of our COI, which is our certificate of insurance, or updated certificate of insurance, so that they can process our check. Now, mind you, that certificate expired on the 5th. I invoiced them on like the 27th of December. So they had time to process it and send me the invoice prior to it expiring. But sometimes what they'll do is, in order to not pay you in the beginning or as soon as that month invoice comes in, they'll wait and say that your insurance is about to expire. So remember when I said I'll go back and tell you what happened previously? Well, this is what happened previously. This happened a year ago, and I had it set up so that my insurance company, whenever they send me my copy of my COI or updated COI, they send them a copy of the updated COI. So apparently they didn't get it, and I had to actually have it sent from the company as opposed to me sending a copy. So they made a big deal out of it. So I went ahead and put that note in there to have them send it whenever they send mine. So this time that wasn't the case, and it wasn't needed because they said, well, we just received it. Well, what they received was me sending them a copy of the updated COI, which apparently they didn't receive prior, which isn't a big deal. But what I'll say is this: have these systems in place so that things are automatically done, but always have a checks and balances to make sure that even though it was supposed to be sent by the cleaning or by the insurance company, you verify, you follow up, you confirm to make sure that that was received so that there's no delay in your payment. So now we're probably about halfway through the month and I still haven't received payment, but I know it's on the way. And another part of this kind of nugget is that even though that payment isn't coming in, you still should have money in reserves to make sure if any issues come that you can still cover your payroll and all your other expenses. So I ensure that I have at least 2 to 3 months, and ideal is 6 months reserved, so that if anything happens in your business, you can have that money readily available so that you don't have to be concerned whether someone is late or not. Now, you still go get your money and you still, voice, hey, my money isn't here. Where is it? This, that, and the third. But do understand, you still need to make sure that you're in a position that you continue to have your payroll covered, you continue to have your expenses covered, so that your business doesn't take a step back. So hopefully this helps you out. It helped me. Another caveat I'll add to that is always have that information readily available. So when I have insurance documents or any documents that I need to keep readily available, what I also do is I have Google Drive. I just put everything in Google Drive and I update it as needed, so that whenever it's needed by a company, by a client, a potential client or whatever, I don't necessarily have to wait until I get back to my office or to a laptop. I can just go off of my smartphone and I can go ahead and send that or forward it to whoever needs that information. And also with your W-4s or your W-9s, have all that stuff on there so that you can also forward that to any company that needs it kind of expeditiously, as opposed to just waiting until you get back to your office, and that kind of delays it. And when it comes to situations where you're in competition with another cleaning company, being expeditious and having stuff readily available makes you look a little bit more professional. It makes you look ready for whatever the account or the client may desire. So make sure you're always ready and prepared. So that's a little caveat, something that helps me out. Hopefully it helps you out. With that being said, you guys have a blessed day. And remember, it's not clean until it's squeaky clean. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. And also go to our website, www.squeakyclean1911.com. And that's clean with a K. See you on the other side.
Ever wondered how to elevate your cleaning business without being overwhelmed by administrative tasks? Here comes the Squeaky Clean LLC Independent Contractor Program. This is the ideal opportunity for those who want to expand their clientele and gain valuable experience, all while collaborating with a well-established cleaning company. Feeling exhausted from the nitty-gritty of business operations like paperwork and client acquisition? We understand. Our program is designed to let you concentrate on what you're best at, cleaning, while we take care of the rest. So you might ask, how does this work? It's straightforward. If you're a passionate cleaning professional with a knack for entrepreneurship, all you need to do is submit your application. This could be your golden ticket to speeding up the growth of your cleaning business. By partnering with Squeaky Clean LLC, you become part of a network that can connect you with a continuous flow of clients. Imagine the benefits of having a reputable company backing your business, offering opportunities to show off your skills, and helping you build a strong reputation in the industry. Join the fray today and focus on what you excel at, providing top-notch cleaning services. We'll handle the administrative tasks, client acquisition, and all the intricate details. It's a partnership that lets you flourish in your passion while we manage the business aspects. Don't let this fantastic opportunity slip away. Take the first stride towards a brighter future for your cleaning business. Apply now at www.squeakyclean1911.com and become a Squeaky Clean LLC independent contractor. Together, we can achieve greatness.